Hi, I'm Kseniya, a psychologist at the University of Maryland Counseling Center. In this video, I'll tell you about a technique called willing hands. It can help you practice acceptance when you have something in your life going on that you have no control over. When our mind is struggling to find acceptance, we can enlist the help of our body, such as with the technique willing hands. This is called embodied cognition and means that our motor systems can influence our thoughts and feelings just like the mind influences our actions. In the technique willing hands, we will assume an open position with our body to try to create more openness in our mind. Alright, so let's give this a shot. If you like, close your eyes, lower your gaze. Allow your shoulders to drop and relax. If this seems difficult, try tensing them first and then letting go. Relax your arms by your side and keep them straight or bend slightly at the elbows. With hands unclenched, turn your hands outward, with palms up and fingers relaxed. Allow yourself to be open to the reality as is. Try to welcome it with open arms. You may feel sadness or even sorrow. If you allow yourself to experience it, you may notice that it is not stagnant. It washes over you like a wave, eventually receding back into the ocean. Deep sense of calmness usually follows. If you feel stuck or the pain is too great to bear, please consider seeking professional help. For tips on how to tolerate distress, check out our video Survival Mode by Dr. Collins. If you would like to learn more about acceptance, please check out our videos Radical Acceptance and Half Smile. And that is all for now. Thank you for watching and take care.